Come on, Tommy. Drop the bags of cash. You don't have to do this.
It provides our food, water, and air. It is the most precious thing we have, and we need to defend it. I put my hand on his, and we both felt the electricity. My soul was reignited.
Two kinds of people are staying on this beach. The dead and those who are going to die. Now let's get the hell out of here.
She seemed incredibly surprised when I told her she drew her eyebrows too high. Finally, I found someone who actually wants to bake with me. Stop it. You're being such a Samantha.
And the only word there spoken was the whispered word. Lenore? This I whispered, and an echo murmured back the word. Lenore. Merely this, and nothing more.